Propeller shaft. The propeller shaft, also known as the drive shaft or prop shaft, plays a vital role in transmitting power from the engine to the wheels or propeller of a vehicle. Its main functions include 1. Transmitting torque. It transfers rotational power from the engine to the wheels or propeller. 2. Connecting components. It connects the engine to the differential or transmission and then to the wheels or propeller. 3. Absorbing vibration. It helps absorb vibrations and shocks from the engine and the road, ensuring a smooth ride. 4. Allowing movement. It allows for slight movements and misalignments between the engine and the wheels or propeller, making it a flexible component. Universal joints are commonly used in propeller shafts to accommodate these movements and ensure a smooth power transfer. They enable the shaft to rotate and transmit power even when the engine and wheels or propeller are not perfectly aligned.